After hours, you had Lucid come out with earnings. I don't know why anyone's really surprised that they were not ideal. I like the cars. The people that own the cars that I know that have purchased a car, they love the car. I just think that the amount of capital it's going to take is going to be extremely hard for people. I think it's going to be very hard for people to do this. And I think that that's something that we really need to consider. It takes billions of dollars to do this, right? So, and I don't want to go off on too many tangents. I have so much to go over. Subscribe to the channel, click all notifications, because what we go over here is extremely timely and it's very real. And I appreciate your support of the channel as I try to grow it and help people to avoid the mistakes I made over 20 years. So something like Rivian, you see how that's kind of coming down on the news, right? So why would that come down on this on that kind of news before earnings? Because they're talking about the cost overlay. Right? So that's why you would move. So, I mean, Lucid's got a nice partner with Saudi Arabia. Do I think they're going out of business? No, because I think they've got huge backers. But they just might be one of these companies that just goes sideways and pays a nice dividend down the line. They do make a great car. Car and Driver rated it, I think, higher than any Tesla. So I think from that standpoint, you're fine. But a good product doesn't always mean that the valuation of a stock is there. Price pays, everything else is conversation. So I would watch that. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.